Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video, we're going to be unboxing a WeatherGuard wire spool holder that you can use and mount inside your van. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 9882-7-01. It is a wire spool holder, so this is going to be a handy little accessory for all you sparkies out there, electricians, or anybody, irrigation, whatever you're doing, where you need to store a spool of wire in your van, or multiple spools, if you will. But we do have, just to see how it's boxed here, some foam holding it in place in a bag, prevent scratches. Usually when it's packaged by itself like this, you don't have to deal with scratches or anything, but nice that they do that. Nice dunnage here, keep it from getting damaged in transit. It's always tough shipping pieces of steel in paper cardboard boxes. So they do a nice job of keeping everything protected. So real quick, they do have an installation guide right here in the box. Looks like it is a full installation guide. Got a parts list, tools required, all of that. Looks like this is kind of a generic end panel mounted accessory. So they actually have, looks like a spray can holder in here. So it's gonna be similar instructions as if you're installing this. Spray can holder, literature holder, or something else to the end panel of the van. In terms of your install, looks like we just have 4 bolts here, some washers, and some lock nuts. And we do have, on the back here, 4 existing holes right here that you're gonna use to attach it. So this is kind of one of their red zone accessories, so it's painted in this bright red color. Nice accent with the white shelving that you get from WeatherGuard. And again, this is just gonna be a wire spool holder. These appear to be just steel, and get set into place like so. You get 5 of them. And for those of you curious on these dimensions, our outside dimension up front here is 14 inches. Inside dimension is 11 7/8 of an inch. In terms of depth, we're about 6 inches from the back of that to the edge of this lip here, but to about the center of this dowel or tube, whatever it is, we're at 5 3/8 of an inch. So just take that into consideration in terms of the size of the wire spool that you'll be able to fit on here. These are nice and removable, so you can just take this out, slide on your spools, put it back in place like that. Our distance in between these, try to get this as close as possible. We're about 7 inches exactly from number 2 to number 1. We are at 7 inches again from 3 to 2. We are at 4 1/4 inch from 4 to 3, and I would say 3 inches from, what is that, 5 to 4. Now if you wanted to do, 4 bigger spools, you could do that like that, or always have the option to go like this, or if you want to do a mega spool, I don't know, something like that. You have options to remove one or so on and so forth for your particular use case, however you're going to want to use this. So great thing about WeatherGuard is they do have a lifetime warranty on all their products, so you can be protected for the long haul. And this is just a great accessory for helping organize the back of your van. Now, if you're looking for this wire spool holder, the shelving, partitions, anything else to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.